Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new, welcome. My name is Stephanie. Y'all, yes, I look the same. I am doing a couple of video unboxings all in a row, trying to get caught up because, of course, all my stuff just shows up at the exact same time. Never fails. I wait and I wait and I wait. I get nothing and nothing, and then I get like 3, 4, 5 boxes in the mail all at once. So today, y'all, one of the boxes I received was my June Eyescream Beauty Box. Here it is. Y'all, it's a little like funky shaped here. We got something going on in here. Hopefully nothing's damaged. I mean, it looks like it's in good shape, but it kind of is bulgy, like there's a bigger item in here. So we will see. All right, so I've been subscribed to Eyescream Beauty for a while. I really do enjoy this. You actually get makeup. It has been a very nice subscription. They do offer the bag, which I am getting for 3 months only, and then I'm going to cancel it because, ooh, why is this not opening, you guys? Because, honestly, I'm really happy with the box, and I've mentioned it in a few other videos, and I'm going to keep mentioning it, you guys. With the inflation going on, I am looking to get rid of some more, I should say, of my subscription boxes, okay? Bags, boxes, whatever. Some of my monthly subscriptions. Now, most recently, I have canceled my Splendies, which is a panty subscription. I canceled it. I'm going to get one more month. You're going to see one more Splendies video from me, and then I'm done. And the reason why I did that was, y'all, they sent me a product that I told them I adamantly did not want, which was thong panties. But we're going to get one more of those, and then I'm done with that. So I am going to fulfill and finalize my subscription with the bag, and then I'm probably going to be done with it. So it should be done pretty soon. The box, however, I really like. I'm going to keep this, okay? So here we go. You always get a little card, and you always get some of those little gems. So this will tell you all about the month and all about the products in the box. So June says summer days and summer nights. It's got all my little cheat sheet information on here. The reason why it was a little bulgy is we have a little round object in here. It's super cute. It's a brush from Cheeky Rose Beauty. It says it's a kabuki brush. It's pretty. It's very pretty. So it says it is MSRP $42. Now this box, y'all, is 25 bucks. So this product all on its own is almost, not quite, but almost double the price of the box. So super, super cute. Look at that brush, y'all. That's gorgeous. So pretty nice. I'm not going to open it, y'all. I don't think I'll keep it. I think it's going to go in y'all's giveaway, okay? $42 on that. Then we've got from Opinionated Beauty, which is a company that Eyescream has been sending us a lot of their products, and some of them have been really great. So this looks like it's a little, maybe like 9-pan eyeshadow palette. We'll see. It says Natural Color Oakland Lavender. Oh, yep, 9 color shadows palette. Very cute. It's called Sweet and Lavender. Oh, there is a sweet or a lavender. I got the lavender. So this is $24. Let's see what it looks like. I love me some purple. Ooh, that's pretty. That is really pretty. I'm going to go ahead and put the card in front of the mirror so I don't blind you guys. It has a shade saver on. I think I'm going to leave it on. So I will apologize if it's going to be a little reflective, but I think it's stuck. Let me see. Is it going to come off? I just don't want to accidentally stick a fingernail in something. No, I think it's stuck on there. So it's pretty. I wouldn't call this truly lavender, but I do like the colors. More nudes and neutrals. So here we go. I apologize, y'all. Very reflective off of that shade saver. So it's kind of interesting. It's called lavender. So this is a pretty inexpensive brand, but honestly, I've not had like major issues with the quality. Certainly not like high-end amazing artistry stuff, but it's been nice. It has got the cruelty-free leaping bunny on the back. So that's really nice. It is made in the People's Republic of China. I know you guys are usually wanting to know that information. But so $24 for that. Then, oh, here's the other one. Woohoo! So there were both in here. Look, here is the Sweet palette from Oakland. So again, another one. We did get both of them. $24 for both. So $12 each. I thought it was a one or the other. But, ooh, very pretty. Again, very, very pretty. Very pretty, pretty, pretty. I like these, you guys. You know, I love me some shimmer shadows. So this is a very pretty little almost like nudie neutral palette. So I could see just about anybody using that. Really nice, pretty nude shades. So I like that a lot. So we got 2. That's pretty awesome. You guys are starting to see why I like this company subscription box. Okay, more items. I see a couple more items in here. Let's pull out this little one, Lip Perfection from Be Bella. You all know I've tried some Be Bella. I got a couple of their mystery boxes. They do have them every month. Lip Perfection pencil, and it is berry sexy. So it's a really fun berry colored lip pencil. That's awesome. And I will add that to my lip pencil collection. $7. This is the Day and Night Lip Liner Duo. So, got another one. It's a month of 2s. So this is from Be Bella, and it is Only Yours is the shade. Much darker, so that's really cool. I will double check and see if I already have these, because I did get, like I said, a couple of boxes from Be Bella. And yeah, I like those a lot. I'm always up for a little lip liners, although I'm not great about grabbing them. I do like having them though. So $7. And then we have an item from Duce. Ooh, MAC Slash Volumizer Mascara. I don't think I have ever gotten a mascara from this company. It's usually been like an eyeshadow or a face palette. So this is $24. Pull it out of the box and take a look. Definitely a brand that this company, Eyescream Beauty, has sent us before. Well, that's kind of fun. Big old fat looking thing. I'm not going to open it, you guys. I'm going to wait because I'm currently using some mascara. I don't want to introduce air into this. Once you start pushing the applicator in and out, you're starting to introduce air and bacteria. But I will definitely give this a whirl because this is a really nice company. I do like Duce, or Duce, or however you say it. It's D-O-U-C-C-E. So, 24 bucks. That should be a good mascara if it's $24. We'll see. And then we got one more item and a whole bunch of little packing peanuts that are a lot of fun. This is, let's see, Bo Babe Beauty Liquid Highlight Drops in Champagne. This is 20 milliliters, or I think it says 0.71 ounces. It's very reflective. So, $35 for these highlighting drops. Let's take it out of the box and see what this looks like. All right, both ends of the box do have a little safety seal sticker we're gonna have to cut into. Okay, got that. Cute. Oh, very cute. Ooh, yeah, those are definitely some highlighting. Okay, you can see that champagne color down here on the bottom, right in here. Really pretty. So honestly, these types of drops, it's got a little squeezy here. You can, put a little highlighter on like your décolletage, your, if you have a really beautiful shoulder line and you want to like accentuate your collarbone in the summer, obviously your face. That's really cool. Not sure if I will keep these or not. You can also probably use these to highlight, a little on your eyes. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Cruelty-free. I do see the Leaping Bunny from Calabasas, California. However, made in China. So there is that. And again, this is $35. We do have the 2 mini eyeshadows from Okalan. $24 for the both, so 12 bucks each. We do have the duo lip liners from Be Bella, $7. They're very pretty. And then from Duce, it's $24 mascara that I'm very interested in trying, but I'm going to hold off because I got to use up the ones I'm currently using. Y'all know, 3 months. 3 months on a mascara, and then it's done. You get it all full of just the creepy crawly bacteria. You got to get rid of it, okay? Then, the reason the box was a little, like, bubbled up was this pretty kabuki brush, which is $42 from Cheeky Rose Beauty. I don't think I'll keep it, you guys. I'm not a big user of kabuki brushes, I will admit it. So, it's very pretty. Very, very pretty. Really, really, really And it looks like it's super soft, but you guys, I'm not going to open it. I'm not going to touch it because I'm not going to keep it. I'm going to put it in y'all's giveaway box. So let me know what you guys think. I am impressed that this company is still keeping their box at $25. Honestly, I think she could probably go ahead and increase it just because the fact I know Post Office increasing their prices. So, you know, we want to support these companies. We have to be willing to pay $1, $2 more to help out. But this is, again, I've said it before in other videos, inflation right now is really bad, and you guys, these subscription companies are going to start struggling, and if they're not financially sound, we're going to see them disappear. So I definitely want us to be supportive. I don't like it when products or companies have to increase their prices, but you know, I would probably, this is $25. I'd be willing to pay $27 to $28 for it because I'm happy with it. I enjoy the products I get. It's never really high end, like wild, amazing stuff. Although I have to say, I believe this Duce company is pretty nice stuff. So, you know, you can't always say never, right? So, but like the Okaland, this is not like a super high end company, but these are a lot of fun to get. So let me know what you guys think down below. I really appreciate hearing your comments. If you're new here, I would love it if you would join my YouTube family. You guys, I went into this year 2022 with all these goals to grow my channel, and I have to say I got was very much like blessed at the beginning of the year. I grew several hundred subscribers at the beginning of the year. Honestly, right now, life's been a little bit crazy. I've definitely kind of not always hitting videos every day, and I apologize to my fellow creators. I'm also not able to get on and like watch a ton of my friends' videos like I used to. Got a lot going on in my family. My father's health is not great, so it's been very distracting for me. And I really do enjoy coming back and spending some time with you guys making these videos. And I love it when you guys comment. So it definitely helps, especially on these really just very stressful days and weeks and things, trying to just get stuff done. So, all right, y'all, I won't keep talking. I'm going to let y'all go. Let me know what you think down below. And I will see you on my next video. Bye, everybody.